I'm standing here with the developer of the Micro Drone 2.0. So there was a 1.0.
Yeah, so this is a brand new version. We're launching it in South Africa the first time. We're a UK-based company, and we're launching with our distributor here in South Africa, and this is our new launch.
And you're the developer. What's your name and where are you based?
So I'm Vernon Kurzweil. I'm based in London, in UK, and we've been developing the Micro Drone 2.0 for the last 5 years. And the big difference with this one is it's got a camera on, so you can make videos and photos, and it's all modular. So you can change the parts, you can customize it, add modules to it, and we've got a whole load of new modules launching for the Micro Drone.
Okay, and I see you've got a 3D printer over there. What's that for? Is that what you use to build it, or?
So it's a fully 3D printable, so you can customize it with 3D printing. So one of the templates you can use is to make 6 motors, so you can stack them in 6 motors. So you can make it more powerful. You can customize it with various shapes and quirky shapes like a rocket or rude things, which I won't tell you on public.
Invariably, you get the funny guys on Thingiverse who print 3D penises. We know.
Exactly, yeah, all that sort of stuff. Yeah.
Okay, and so how much and this thing is tiny, and we'll hold it up to the camera and show some footage, but how much does this weigh, and what can it do, and what frequencies does it operate on? All the questions.
Okay, so this is 58 grams, so it's tiny, tiny, tiny. You can feel the weight, it's really, really tiny. You can carry 20 grams, which is just enough for a module, so we've made a whole lot of modules for it. And it works off a 2.4 gigahertz remote, so it's the same as like a walkie-talkie. So you can fly it 120 meters, and also you get a very responsive controls. So when you're flying it, you can fly it very, very accurately. You don't need to be an expert to fly it.
Okay, and 2.4 gigahertz means that it's unlicensed spectrum, so you don't have to worry about any funny business there.
Correct, yeah. You can fly it as long as it's within range, and that's fully legal, and you can fly it, without a license.
Very cool. And so you've got it on sale here at rAge. What's it cost, and what will it cost outside of the expo?
Okay, so the drone on sale is normally RRP is 1,200, and the camera kit, which is the camera module, and that's 600. We're doing a show special at this show for 1,400 for the full package deal, and that basically gets you everything you need to fly.
Very, very cool. And so you would normally have to buy them separately, but for the show special
package deal, yeah, package deal.
Very cool. And so one other thing, we know some guys who are really, really into hacking and that sort of thing, 3D printing and the whole 9 yards. Are you involved with a maker spaces in South Africa at all, or is this a brand new thing for you?
Yeah, actually, funnily enough, we were in New York Maker Fair, the biggest maker fair in the world, 2 weeks ago, and that was an amazing response. We met developers who were keen to develop new accessories. So it's fully hackable hardware, so you can design hardware for it. New modules, like one guy came up with a laser pen, which you can swivel the laser, so you can point it, and then dogs go crazy and chase the laser. And one guy came up with a rocket launcher which shoots little Nerf pellets. That's pretty cool. And the 3D printable versions it's all 3D printable, so you can create different versions of the same drone with a 3D printer.
Great stuff. And for the techie guys out there, what kind of power drone motors are you looking in this thing, and so on?
So yeah, I can't remember the speed of the motors, but it's they're powerful enough to lift 20 grams. So you can make any module up to 20 grams, and it's just really, really fast, you know.
Cool. Thank you so much for your time. Good luck with the show. I hope it's a great success.
Thank you very much.
Oh, sorry.
Was that all right?
Yeah.